I grew up in this space. In 1963 was the year I was born, and my parents moved from 11th and about Mitchell to this spot, 1331 West Harrison. I recall a lot of flooding happening, water rising. Actually, right where I'm standing behind us, believe it or not, there was another house which was very close to the river. And that house, I think, was torn down, probably one of the first ones. But there used to be a flat bridge on every street, so 15th Place, 14th, all had bridges. And I remember when the water would really rise high, a lot of rain, we would actually come and stand on the bridge and watch the water as it would come up and just sort of watch it as it would start to overflow. And of course it would become very rapid, it would be very fast. We didn't actually call it the KK River in my neighborhood, we called it the Crick or the Creek.
Today, the neighborhood is about 71% Latino. It's very young. It's about 38% of the residents are under the age of 18. And so the neighborhood demographics are always changing. And that can sometimes mean that people who have been here for generations and have established roots are then seeing new waves of people coming in and those demographics changing.
I guess my hope is for people who live in this community to be able to really establish themselves here and feel comfortable living here and to be excited about it. And in 10 years, when these kids are more grown up, for example, to be able to be like, yes, I'm really proud of my neighborhood. If they participated, they can look back and be like, yeah, our project is still here. So I want them to be proud of themselves.